Every season I'm ballin'. Brody walk down like he Kimbo. He hopping out the little shots out the window. I'm from the 2 drippin' sound like Lorenzo. Little nigga Glock when he make him look tenfold. He posted up on the back strip, flipping that work. He do semis and front flip. We put your bro on the run list. Soon as that work coming in and touchdown, I'ma punt it. It's gone.
Hey, what's up, everyone? Today I'm gonna be completely rebuilding this whole Yz125. Not bottom end, cause it's not seized up, but we're gonna check out the crank. We're gonna see everything. We're gonna change the plastics, everything like that. I don't think it's supposed to be that color. Sheesh. Oh my god. Oh!
Getting that on there.
It's on. Finally. Good?
Yeah.
Nah, I just gotta put
Don't
on
let the rags blow away here.
power valve. Alright, so I got the head on. About to crack open all these OEM washers. And then put the bolts on. And then do the spark plug, do the air box, do the plastics, gas tank, all that. All right, now I'm gonna spray inside these jets. I'm not sure how I'm gonna record this. Dang, my ears. All right, I did a good good bit. I got the carb on with the boots. Cleaned the carb as y'all saw. I cleaned the heck out of the subframe. And then pretty much all I have to do is put the gas tank on and the new plastics. And then put on the motor mounts, put the spark plug in, put the radiator back on. And she's set to go. All good? All right. Now we throw in our spark plug. Yeah, it's good, it's good. Don't want it too tight. Got that. That's light. There you go. I don't even think I was filming right. Got it.
We're almost there. What the?
Waiting for the brake.
That's what I got in mind.
What? Auto zoom?
I don't know if it's all function. It's green.
Get in the zone. Sure it matters if you mix colors?
Not supposed to. I mean,
I don't see why not.
where are you at?
Almost.
Yeah, just splash it off.
Huh?
Just, I guess, just splash it off.
Right, that's
It's
all.
not gonna be too much. Watch, it's gonna top off quick. You were like basically there.
That means it's full, right? Should we start her up?
Don't you get some gas in there? Hell yeah. Connect the fuel line.
It's already connect. Oh, no, it's not. Good thing you said that. What are we thinking, choke? Record.
You're in gear.
Yes, sir. She back. Let's see if she start. First kick.